I'm Husband with WTI.
And if you're looking for an intensive leave-in conditioner that can help you get shiny and great looking hair, this one from Silicone Mix is great. I've used it since I was a kid, and I remember my mom used to buy it all the time too. So it is really a product that we both appreciate. And in my case, I use it as a conditioner to detangle my hair and just go on with my curly hair routine. And it still leaves my hair super nice. And I love how my curls look really shiny after using it. And as a Dominican girl, I use Dominican products a lot, and this is one of them. So it is something that I've seen since I was little, and I really appreciate this product. And my friends have told me the same thing too. So I highly recommend it because it's a product that I know very well. And so all Dominican hair salons have it. And that's why I think it is really working for a lot of people. So if you want to try it out too, it would be a great idea. And again, the smell is really pleasant, not too strong. It is great for detangling.
But that's just my point of view.